Hi, it's Shunga Boy here. Today I'm going to show you how to do a 60-second gesture pose. A lot of figure drawing groups have really short poses, 1 minute or 2-minute poses at the beginning of the session. And the purpose is not to get a finished drawing, but is try to just get a sense for the model, for the man in front of you, his shapes, his torso, where his hips are, where his legs are, just to get a sense for the balance of the model. And it's really quick and you don't get it perfect. I'm starting with the torso with very large, loose oval shapes. I put in the waist and the kind of hip circle, hip oval, and then come the thigh muscles. Just very loose, it's not precise at all. I'm putting in the kneecaps and the shins, expanding the shins there, and making the thigh muscle bigger, and don't forget the cock. And now jumping up, the shoulder, the bicep, the forearm, the hand, the head, another shoulder, and coming down to the arm on the right and the forearm.